going to do a quick video here on what it takes to load the Capstan Ag PinPoint III ENVELOP system on a AGCO AgControl AccuTerminal. And first it's going to load the object pool, or the operating mask as they call it, onto the display once the system is powered on. This particular display does not have GPS hooked to it, as it's running a Raven Viper 4 with an RS1 antenna. But we can get the point across to show you how or what that looks like when we come into this. So first things first, you need to come into the wrench button here, hit it again, come down to Isobus with the I, make sure task control is turned on and Isobus is turned on. So once that's set, come back over here to this side, hit section control, and you can see that it pretty much auto-populates everything. The connected implement is Capstan. It brings in some measurements, your on and off look aheads, things like that. If you touch this button again, it will show that it comes up as 120 foot working width. This particular machine is 72 nozzles. Shows 72 nozzles across the boom, and then several look aheads, things like that on the display, and other settings. So that's all there is to it. It pretty much populates itself. Thanks.